Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but as you know, I also do pop stuff. And today we are at the Hollywood Funko Pop store again. Last time we came here was in summer, so we'll see if it looks restocked or what it is. It is 9:20 and the line is huge already. I'll let you guys know how long it takes. And I'm here with my brother and my other brother and my husband. But they're making line while we wait. There is parking here for $20 for the whole day. We just went for it.
There's Hollywood sign.
Yeah, and then the Hollywood sign is right in front of us. Alright, so while my brother and I were parking, my other brother and my husband were waiting in line. And then there's a virtual queue now?
Yes, they come around, they get your phone number, your name, they ask you how many people are building. And so even though there's a long line, longer from what it looks like than when we were here last, we're 22nd in line, and they said they do about 12 an hour. So a lot faster than last time.
So we're gonna assume a 2-hour wait, so I'll let you know. But right now, what time is it?
Right now it's 9:27.
9:27, so we'll see.
I was telling
what
Brian,
time we make it.
I think this line's indicative of another launch happening right now. They're doing the college mascot ones.
Oh.
And it's Saturday, so it's college
There's
football.
also a Batman thing coming up. I saw it on their website.
Probably it.
And then Amoeba Records is right across the street.
Oh.
It's like right across the street over there. You guys were talking about it yesterday?
Perfect.
And there's an Afters ice cream if you walk like 10 feet that way.
Sorry everybody, Shirley set us up. Welcome to
Jurassic Park.
So on the left they have like the exclusive. So all the exclusive are $15. NCT, Big Boy. Oh, this is kind of cool. I think Brendan and I like this one. Here are the fountain where you can't hear me. Do you want a picture? They have a bunch of Black Panther, Infinity Wars.
You see what I mean? That could be me. Similar enough.
Deadpool. Oh, they have a bag. And exclusive. Thanos. It's cool, huh? Mary Poppins.
These guys video.
Shang-
That's Aquafina.
Shang-Chi.
Maybe.
Here are some prices. I'm getting pretty prices now. There were some prices before. Eric found the t-shirt you like.
Yeah, put it in your purse.
No! What? Hagrid? Look, Dumbledore. That is huge. Do you hear how the song changes?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. The worm. Look at Hedwig.
Voldemort, Shirley.
guy's cool too.
Huh?
McGonagall?
Yeah, he's cool.
That guy's Blair. Oh, Lupin?
She's really more detailed.
Eric was freaked out by the kids right there. Yeah. Dumbledore's cool. I don't know that I need like a big old Dumbledore.
I don't think getting any of these things.
Oh, Pinocchio? Is he up here? Adorable, no? Sure. Look at this palace. Marble black.
I'll throw it like right there.
Shit's Creek.
You can't even watch that movie anymore.
Brian's not gonna get Elliot from Scrubs.
It's probably a Loungefly. Loungefly bag. Thunderjaw. $20.
Look at Brad Spyro.
Oh, cute! No one ever comes to visit it. You don't want Stephen King, babe? What?
It's in the Slytherin bag. Get this one.
Nah. Oh, is it cute?
Put a grandma in the truck.
You want Stephen King?
Oh.
He doesn't like weird as a Funko.
Yeah, Freddy Krueger.
Sarah Connor.
Who are you gonna call? Girl Busters. Just something scary? Oh yeah. Exclusive ones that you can get that can run out. So if you want to come to this corner first, then probably. Alright, things that are new, I think there's an extra color. And there's way more glasses than there was when we got here. And there's sunglasses too, which is nice. And I feel like a couple of these beard options are new.
Yeah.
So that's nice. For hair, I don't see any new options for ladies. Maybe these little ponytails right here are new. Curly hair. More colors.
Coming soon everywhere.
Yeah, that's true. There's not a lot of coming soon stickers. And I feel like my hair also expanded quite a bit.
Should you put hair?
No, they don't have hair.
My wrestler did.
Alright, so for accessories, there's quite a bit more. The good ones are still coming soon, so that kind of sucks. I think they just sell out, and that's why I put coming soon. Because the stickers are outside, so it's probably like a temporary thing. Outfits, there's still not a lot of choices. Not that great for outfits still, so maybe wait on that. Hey guys, it's like 2 days later. We just went to Oogie Boogie Bash, so B and I are exhausted. We're with my brother Brian. But I forgot to do an outro about the Hollywood Studio Funko Pop. So Brian, what you think?
It was cool.
Would you?
This, might as well, yeah, do it. And
Okay.
get yourself done, you know?
Yeah. Would you do it again?
No, but you know. Someone came from out of town and somebody comes from out of town, they want to do it, yeah, why not?
And you're like in Hollywood Boulevard, so there's other stuff to do too.
You already pay for parking, so might as well go to Amoeba or
Yeah,
Hamilton
it was right
or
across the
whatever.
street. We would say go early if you're gonna make yourself. If you're not gonna make yourself, go later because then it's opened. Newer pops, B and I went maybe a couple months ago, and there's like brand new pops. But yeah, overall it was pretty good.
I go like once a year maybe.
Yeah, what was your favorite pop that you got?
I like Chanka.
And-
Ron was pretty cool.
Round with the flu is pretty cool.
Cameron was talking about how much ones they got.
Yeah,
I was ready for this.
Brian only got himself, so
I
that's
like
his
our
favorite.
surprise birthday gift one.
Oh yeah, we got our friend
That
one.
was pretty good.
Yeah, and it's reasonably priced for what it is. All right, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.
Adios.